All right, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down how I made over 115,000 freaking dollars across all my funded accounts across Take Profit Trader, JTn&x, Top Step Express accounts, my Tradeful Live account, Lucid Trading. Like, goddamn, bro, this is absolutely insane. I've been able to scale my trading with firms really throughout this summer. I've really been chilling with my live account that I have on AMP until the end of September. So when end of September comes, I will be adding my AMP account to this journal. For now, I'm going to take all those payouts that I'm getting from these prop firms and putting it into that live account. So that way I have a massive balance. Crazy ass day today. Let's go ahead and break down the 3 trades that I took today. Coming into the day, we had a nice 6 a.m. 4-hour candle manipulation. So in the morning, if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, here in the morning, I noticed that YM was gunning for that 6 p.m. high. So if we're in the 15-minute now. So this is the 6 p.m. high here on YM. If you notice here around 8:45, 9 a.m., I started noticing that YM was going to that 6 p.m. high, and NQ was really the super weak one. So I was really focused on NQ giving us delivery down to this 329 level, because if we go to the 4-hour time frame, that was a very nice sell side level that was almost reached in the Asia session. So if we go back to the 15-minute time frame, here at 7:30, we ended up getting a change in the state of delivery. So when we got the change in the state of delivery and we got the sweep of the 2 a.m. 4-hour candle here, and while I noticed that YM was going for that 6 p.m. high, I was expecting that SMT, the external SMT, to happen. Now, on top of that, here at 8:45, I noticed that ES made perfect equal highs. Now, you guys have heard me talk about perfect equal highs before on my YouTube channel. Any single time you have ES making perfect equal highs or perfect equal lows, you guys already know that is a perfect, amazing draw on liquidity. So when I seen this, I was expecting 9:30 to be the manipulation. Why am I expecting 9:30 a.m. to be the manipulation? Because today was a no 8:30 news, no 10 a.m. news day. So I am expecting 9:30 to be the manipulation because we don't have any news. Okay, we don't have any 8:30 pre-market news. We don't have any 10 a.m. news. So I'm expecting 9:30 to be manipulation. Now, given we have these perfect equal highs, you can see 9:30 open here, sweep out these perfect equal highs on ES, and we ended up getting this internal SMT. And you can see YM blast through that 6 p.m. high there. That's exactly what I wanted to see. And I also entered premature here around 9 a.m. because I was expecting just that to happen. And we absolutely, this was like just plan the trade the plan type of deal. Like, this was absolutely to a T what I wanted to see. And we ended up getting that. So 9:30 opened higher. I was already in at 9 a.m. My stop above here. So this is what my position pretty much looked like right here. And then TP at 329. So this is a nice like 2.7, 2.8 RR trade here. And it just dumped right here, right at 9:30. Very nice delivery here and super nice framework. So 6 a.m. was the distribution. So I was expecting 10 a.m. to be the continuation. And just given with how much displacement we were having right here, I was expecting 0.4550 to get hit today. On a nice day like today, when I was live trading with my group, I was telling them, whenever you see a free fall like this, right? Usually these 1-minute gaps are very nice areas to enter on when it is a massive trend day like it was today, or a massive just displacement day, right? Because we were free falling right here during the 950 to 1010 macro. So what I was expecting was this 1-minute gap to end up holding down to this 4.5 level. So I ended up entering on the 1-minute gap, stop above the candle that formed that 1-minute gap, and I ended up shooting for that 4.5.50 sell side level. So if we go back to the 4-hour, you will see that is a nice little 4-hour swing low, and that's what I wanted to take, and that's what I took on the second trade. So ended up hitting a 5-minute fair value gap and a 1-minute FVG for continuation. A lot of my students ended up catching this exact same trade here on the NQ. Doesn't get much cleaner than this. Just straight flush. Use the 1-minute PDA rate for continuation, because again, if I'm expecting continuation on the 4-hour 10 a.m. candle, I'm expecting continuation to at least this sell side, and it delivered fucking beautifully. So after that, I ended up taking a break. I was up about 13.6K on my Top Step accounts, and I don't even know how much on my other accounts. I was up a lot. If you guys want to go see that, I was posting it on my Instagram story. So if you guys want to go follow my Instagram, it's at It's Johnny with double O's, double N's, double Y's, etc. It'll be in the description down below. But you guys can find me on Instagram. You guys can see the post there of how much I was up during the morning session. And the last and final trade that I ended up taking was a PM power hour trade. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, I wanted to see 2 p.m. tap into the 4 hour gap that was made. So as soon as the 10 a.m. 4 hour candle closed, we formed a fair value gap, but 2 p.m. opened lower. There wasn't a whole lot that I liked here. I wanted to see 2 p.m. close, and then 2 p.m. did close right here. We retraced into this nice little 5-minute bullish fair value gap here. This is pretty much where I entered right before 3, because if we go back to the 1 hour, you'll see this nice little flow state V2 model, right? We ended up getting an SMT with YM at the 12 p.m. low, and we closed back within the 1 p.m. range. So I was expecting 3 p.m. to be distribution higher. Now, if we go back to the 5-minute, which is the aligned lower time frame for the 1 hour, you can see we got a 5-minute change in the state of delivery, and we ended up retracing during the macro, the 253.10 macro. And this is pretty much where I entered, aimed for the 1 hour CRT high, and that was pretty much it. Solid 3 trades there. Absolutely amazing fucking day. You guys can go check out my Twitter, check out my Instagram. You guys can see all the screenshots of everything throughout the day and how everybody banked as well. Everybody absolutely fucking killed it today. Not just my students, but a lot of other people in the space too, which I fucking absolutely love to see. But that is how I made over $115,000 across all my prop firm accounts. I'm expecting about $100,000 payout month, God willing. If not, it'll be around a 75 to 80K payout month, which is absolutely fucking crazy. But that is going to be it for me. If you guys want more one-on-one help, I am opening up a few spots for the end of this month for my one-on-one mentorship. You guys will get accountability check-ins. You guys will get trade reviews personally by me. You guys get psychology check-ins with a professional psychology coach, Jared Tendler. That is the author of The Mental Game of Trading, which has helped me and my students excel our trading to the next level. If you guys are looking to get mentored one-on-one by me, I will leave that in the first link in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, comment what you guys want to see next, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.